In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Logitech G Hub no devices detected. So, as much as we go on, let's go to Logitech G Hub, just open File Manager or just open File Location. You should file or you should navigate the application of your Logitech G Hub and go to Properties, or you could also just run immediately run as administrator. But furthermore, without any issues, let's go to its compatibility and just check disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. And if you wanted to, you could also check Windows 8 if it doesn't work. So this is another method. Just go and just navigate your mouse and update its driver, because maybe the driver of your mouse is not been updated, or just update your Windows and restart your computer, and that's it.